the good news is I have all the crates out of the attic. The bad news is we now have to sort through all these, figure out what we're keeping and what's going into storage. For the time being, our garage, well, it's not for cars and trucks.
Midweek update.
I've been sorting through crates now for probably 2 hours and haven't even made a dent. When you have like everything from your childhood crated up, it's like, where do you even start? I mean, you can see it's just, honestly, I feel like I need a dumpster. But I am finding a few things that I think we're going to be able to list on eBay. I kind of started my eBay pile, including this vintage Ringling Brothers Barnum and Bailey Circus program from 1976. Not worth a lot, but it's kind of cool. I want to save it. My old metronome and my Spuds McKinsey glasses. They have value. So I don't know. I'm going to wait till Patty gets home because she ain't going to be able to put her car in here till we get this stuff cleaned up. Oh, I did get rid of the Christmas Village, though. Patty's mom's going to take that. So this is all eBay inventory, which, again, I'll have to get moved. This is all death pile. That's stuff that has to be listed. And those are Christmas decoration crates that we put up. So, and I'm not taking them back up to the attic because as soon as we get them brought down after Christmas, they are going to the storage unit. So I think at this point, we wait till Patty gets home. Morning, it is the next day, and I am going through old files. And this is all like legal documents from like when we got married all the way to today, including every car we've ever purchased, houses, and this is all going to have to be destroyed because it has personal information on it. So Patty, were you shocked yesterday when you showed up and you saw all the crates from upstairs in the garage?
A little bit. I thought, okay, I knew you messaged me about the car in the garage.
I did give you a heads up on it.
But then up in the garage, I thought, I think I can get in there.
I actually rearranged them, and Patty did get the Subaru in last night. It's a little tight out there.
Yeah, you got to pull out to get on the passenger side.
Yeah. Patty hasn't had the fun yet of going through crates, which she's going to here later, because she's got some of her stuff out there that we've got to
weed out.
We got to weed out. So this is not a fun task. I hate moving. By the way, I don't know if you've seen, but the downstairs bedroom is back to being a bedroom, and it's fairly clean. Now, we did leave the little sofa in here kind of set up. I don't think we need to move it because I think it actually shows you the size of this bedroom. And that way we can continue to record podcasts and things like that in here until we actually move out. So we'll see what our realtor says, but I think it's looking pretty good. Let me know in the comments, do we need more wall art in here? Or do you think if you were looking at a house, you'd just soon have it somewhat plain? I mean, we only put up a couple things here.
Look what I did, hon.
You did it?
Yeah.
You did read the instructions, though.
I did.
And you, yeah. So this is our storage unit, and you can see it's slowly coming together. So the plan is we're going to kind of do what, Patty, here?
We're kind of going to have this space back here be like home stuff that we want to keep for the next home, wherever that will be. And then this side of here, in this area, is going to be the eBay stuff.
Right.
So that we can do that up here when we aren't in the cabin.
We'll see how long we can survive with one.
Yeah, we'll see. The hope is...
And honestly, some of that back there is death pile already.
Yeah, you can just tell some of it. But yeah, so this is kind of the plan, trying to keep things so we don't have to go to the back, come to the front. So it's kind of hard. You got to think what you might want to get to before other things. So yeah, it's a process.
It is a process, that's for certain.
Let me just point out, we went through a bunch of crates, and this one says Patrick's early years.
And almost all of that now is in the trash.
Yeah.
So
we had all these crates.
We need to pull off that tape.
Should I pull it off?
It's so old. I couldn't. Maybe you'll get it. Yeah. See. Yeah. We need to relabel crates.
I was gonna say whatever it is. So.
Whew, I'll tell you what.
It's a lot of work.
Downsizing to move into an RV is tough. Already.
Well, already it is.
Yeah, I mean, you got to get rid of a lot of stuff.
Well, and you think I know you keep saying I haven't done much more again. Okay, truly the attic is clean.
I know the attic's done, so we're making progress.
We're getting there. It's just going to take a time, and then you just weed out and like this. It was like this isn't even part of it, but it was like throw away, Goodwill, thrift.
Yeah.
Throw away, keep, Goodwill. It was like you need piles. So
yeah.
We'll get it.
We'll have a video at some point. I don't know when, but probably this whole back will be stuffed full. And even this front, I'm afraid, by the time we get all the inventory over here and all the death pile stuff, yeah, we probably will end up with another storage unit before it's over with.
So I bet it'll be where eBay might have to be moved.
Maybe.
Because you need a spot later to do recording, video, not video, sorry, photos and whatnot.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we'll see.
It's Sunday evening, and this is looking a lot better. And the fact that we get the car in and you can actually walk around the car, you can see things are starting to look better. I know you're probably thinking, no, it's not, but unbelievably, it actually is. We took some stuff up to Goodwill today that, we felt maybe people could use, but didn't really have value for us. We got rid of a bunch of garbage, and you can see this garage is a mess. A huge death pile. Again, for those of you not in the reselling community, death pile just means stuff that we need to get listed on eBay. And I suppose the next thing we're gonna have to start working on is, you can see there's still more crates on our shelves. Now, a lot of this stuff has been listed on eBay, but all of that's got to be cleaned out. And then the garage as a whole is gonna have to be cleaned out too. Well, Patty, pretty good weekend of cleaning up.
Yeah, we got a lot done.
I think we did. So you just got done working out.
Yeah, I got to get back into it. I'm really good in the spring. It's called Walk at Home. It's an app on YouTube. And it's different ladies and men, whatever. And they do walk at home kind of exercise where basically you're walking the whole time and the pace starts low and you do stretches while you walk and then it speeds up and then it speeds up again. And then you do a cool down. Usually they range from 15-minute segments to you could do a whole hour if you wanted. So right now I'm getting back into it. So 15 minutes basically kicks my boom boom. So I'm drinking my Starbucks to cool off.
I thought our workout was going through all those crates this weekend and hauling stuff over to the storage unit, but
well, that too. That was a brain workout. Trying to figure out what to keep, what to throw, what to sell, what to give to Goodwill. It was a brain workout.
Another 8 weekends like that, and we might have this house ready to sell.
Yeah, I think so. If we can get 8 good weekends without snow and ice to move stuff, but yeah.
Well, hopefully you enjoyed coming along with us this weekend as we cleaned out the attic and tried to pare down. We still have a lot to go, but we're getting there. And we just kind of wanted to show you what it's like when you're trying to go from living in a 1,400 square foot house
living in a trailer?
RV. And for those of you that don't know, our plan is to live in our RV for about 2 to 3 years. And then when we do settle back down, we're looking at tiny homes, around 400 square feet. So now's the time to go ahead and get all this stuff taken care of.
You don't realize how much you accumulate, because we did pare down when we moved to this house, because we were in, a 2,200 square feet
We were in 2,800 square feet, I think it was, and we came to 1,400 square feet. Yeah, and we thought we'd really cleaned out, but after this weekend, we're thinking maybe not. And we accumulated quite a bit over the last 8 years that we've been here.
Right. Well, the stuff we looked at today was a lot of mentally. I mean, you had to think it was pictures and photos and school stuff from school and getting your teaching license and all that stuff.
Grade cards from high school, and just stuff.
Leather jackets.
Eventually, you just gotta, as Elsa would say,
let it go.
That's right. So anyway, well, we just wanted to bring you a short video, and most importantly, what we really wanted to say to all of you is,
Happy Thanksgiving.
Have a wonderful time with your friends and family this coming week, and as always, folks, we'll see you
on down the road.
Bye.
Travels with Delaney. We'll see you on down the road.
And more importantly, what do we want to do, Patty?
I don't know.
Take 2.
Okay.